So what's Perpay.com all about? Basically, it's a site where you can shop now and pay later. But instead of using a credit card or loan, your payments come straight out of your paycheck. There's no interest, and they say it can actually help you build credit over time. You can buy name brand stuff too, like electronics or furniture. So it's kind of marketed as a budget-friendly way to get what you need without paying everything up front. The company itself seems pretty transparent. They show their founder, their team, on their website. They've got an A+ rating from the Better Business Bureau, and they're B Corp certified, which usually means they meet certain ethical and social standards. According to them, people from over 50,000 companies use their service. Names like Amazon, Walmart, CVS, and Comcast show up. They're active on social media too. When it comes to reviews, it's kind of a mix, but mostly positive. On Trustpilot, they're sitting at about 4.3 stars with a couple thousand reviews. A lot of people say it's helped them build or rebuild credit, and that it makes paying for bigger purchases more manageable, especially for folks who don't have great credit. That said, not everything is perfect. Some people mention the prices on products can be higher than usual, and the selection is a bit limited. A few users on Reddit have even compared it to payday loans, though the setup is pretty different. So, should you use it? It's definitely a legit company, with a solid track record and real users. It might be a good option if you don't have access to traditional credit or just need a flexible way to spread out payments.